These are the brand new SOUNDPEATS Air6 HS earbuds, a spiritual successor to the last couple of pairs of SOUNDPEATS earbuds we've tested out and reviewed here on the channel before. But with a larger audio driver, LDAC, and high-res audio playback certification, these affordable earbuds pack a huge punch. Let me tell you all about them. So like I said, these Air6 HS earbuds from SOUNDPEATS are, in pretty much every way, a big step up from the previous pair of earbuds from SOUNDPEATS that we tested out here on the channel a few months ago. The footprint of the case is smaller, the audio driver is larger, the audio quality and fidelity is better overall, and battery life gets a nice bump up as well. Now, SOUNDPEATS actually allowed me to review these for you guys before their public release. So as of the time of this recording, I don't have pricing details, but what SOUNDPEATS did tell me is that these are going to be launched at a far more cost-effective price than the latest set of AirPods, and that they will be only slightly more expensive than their previous model of SOUNDPEATS earbuds. So if they're anything like those, price-wise, they are going to be very competitively positioned within the market. And SOUNDPEATS also let me know that they're really trying to position this as an Android alternative for the AirPods. So price-wise and feature-wise, that's kind of what they're up against. But luckily, I've got my AirPods here, so I can compare the Air6 HSs against them and let you know if, for Android device users, they would be comparable to having AirPods with an iPhone. So first, in the box, the experience of opening the Air6 HS earbuds is very similar to any of SOUNDPEATS' other products. In the topmost part of the box, you've got the user guides, some stickers, and all the information about the product. And then underneath that, inside the main compartment, you've got the Air6 HS earbuds themselves. In this matte black carrying case. Compared to, say, the C30 earbuds from SOUNDPEATS, which we reviewed on the channel some time ago, the footprint of the carrying case is smaller, lighter, more compact, and easier to pocket all around in just about every dimension. Inside the case are the earbuds, and these earbuds, again compared to, say, the C30 from SOUNDPEATS, are far more advanced with better audio quality and drivers as well. These earbuds now support high-res and LDAC, have an audio driver, which is significantly larger than previous SOUNDPEATS models, have ANC or active noise cancellation to put them head-to-head against, again, the AirPods, and are overall just a little bit more lightweight than previous SOUNDPEATS models, and very easy to keep in the ear for long listening sessions. And similarly to other SOUNDPEATS models, you can pair the Air6 HSs with your smartphone, whether that is Android or iOS, and you can customize the listening experience. The companion app allows you to tweak and tune the EQ and balance of the earbuds to dial in the audio sound and quality and playback that you specifically want or that you prefer for the type of music that you listen to. To pair the Air6 HSs to your phone for the first time, you just press and hold the button on the bottom, then head over to your Bluetooth settings on your mobile device, choose the Air6 HSs, and you're ready to go. After you install the companion app, they'll be automatically detected once they're paired with your phone, and then you can tune and tweak the EQs and parameters however you choose. And looking at the shape and style of the earbuds next to, again, the AirPods, which they are trying to compete directly against, design-wise, they're extremely similar. There's an oval driver right at the front of the earbud that directs audio into the ear canal, along with one on the top in the midsection. The stem is a touch chunkier than an AirPod, but it's not offensive or obtrusive in any way, and in terms of the depth and size overall, it's identical. But with that being said, it's lighter to hold. Again, these are extremely lightweight earbuds, so you're going to have a lot less ear fatigue over a long listening session, even more so than with the most recent set of AirPods. But more importantly than the shape and styling of an earbud is how it sounds, and the Air6 HSs do not disappoint, especially compared to other sets of SOUNDPEATS earbuds I've tested to date. These are by far the best. As I said, they have that big 13mm audio driver, which sounds fantastic, and again, with the companion app, can be tuned and tweaked to dial in exactly the bass treble levels that you want for your specific type of music. Overall, sound is very natural, bass is deep, the highs and mids are clear and concise, there's nothing muddy, even at high tones, and even at low volumes, which some earbuds, especially more affordable ones, struggle with, there's no issue with playback. You can still make out all of the levels of the audio and the music without any issue.
And of course, these earbuds have both ANC and a built-in mic array. This is a sample of what the mics sound like. Let me know what you guys think of the audio quality from the mics down in the comments below. And right now, I'm not gonna lie, I can't hear a thing. I can barely hear myself speaking because of the ANC function. It's really, really good.
Now let's talk battery life, because that's another great feature of AirPods, is just how long they can go for. And the case with the Air6 HSs is rated for about 40 to 45 hours of playback. Again, I've been testing these for a week to a week and a half, and so far I haven't had to juice up the case. So that's pretty comparable and on par with what they've rated it for. That's probably 30-ish hours of me using them. So very, very comparable and competitive, again, against Apple's class-leading AirPod battery life. Now, the Air6 HSs are great overall earbuds, but of course, there are some drawbacks. Nothing is perfect. First, the footprint of the Air6 HSs. The case is larger overall dimensionally than the AirPods and a little bit harder to pocket. However, the bigger gripe for me with the case is actually the hinge mechanism and how you open them. It's really difficult to open and get at the earbuds inside with just one hand, which is really not a problem with AirPods. The reason for that is that the hinge comes almost all the way down the case, which is just a lot more difficult than the top-mounted flip case that the AirPods have. There's also not as distinctive a groove, which doesn't help make it any easier either. And in terms of the earbuds, they are a little bit thicker in some areas, like again, the stem, than AirPods, and this means that they stick out a little bit further from my ear than the AirPods do. Now, I haven't had an issue with this since I've been testing them, but if you're in the gym, you might brush into something, you might bump them, and they might get dislodged. Depending on the size of your ears, this may not be an issue for you, but it's something that you should be aware of. But with all that being said, if you are an Android user looking for a good, solid, overall pair of in-ear earbuds, and you've been jealous of Apple users with the AirPods, I'm going to tell you right now, I would wholeheartedly recommend you take a look at the Air6 HSs from SOUNDPEATS. For the price, they are every bit as good as the AirPods in terms of sound clarity and audio quality and playback, and they have a little bit more customization even than AirPods in terms of the audio playback with the companion app. Dimensionally, size-wise, yes, there's a couple of trade-offs. However, they're far more cost-effective than the competitors. If you're interested in checking out the Air6 HSs as soon as they hit the market, and you want to get the best price available on them, head down to the video description and click the first link there. And as always, let me know what you guys think about these earbuds down in the comments below. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you want to get your hands on them? Or are you sticking with what you've got? Looking forward to hearing your thoughts as always. Thank you to the team at SOUNDPEATS for allowing me to test these guys out before they hit the public market and give you my honest thoughts and review of them. Thank you guys for watching as always. Again, if you're interested, check the link down below, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.